Alrighty, y'all. We got our 4 burger patties here into our butter. We put in some diced up tomatoes. There they are right there in the middle. Some rings of our white onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and some of our jalapenos drained of the juice. We're just letting all of this get cooked up really nicely here. I'm just gonna flip my burger. You can see it's just about done on that side. And I just added some sweet and smoky rub to my whole dish, but you can use whatever kind of spices you like. If you want something a little bit more spicy, this is a really fun take on an easy dinner. Cooking these burgers in the butter really makes them nice and juicy. It's all one pan to do all your deliciousness. And we're kind of going for a Mexican flavor here with the jalapenos and all of our peppers and deliciousness. While those are cooking, I just got my burger bun here and my real mayonnaise. Now I'm grabbing the top of my bun. I'm gonna smush those together like that. And I've got my heated griddle over here, just like that. I'm gonna repeat that with my second bun. You can kind of see where this is going. Smush, smush, smush. Get all that nice mayo spread out here. Perfect. All right, I got all of my buns here onto my hot griddle. Now I'm just gonna get a dollop of mayonnaise onto each one of these on the other side. Perfect. Now you can use Miracle Whip, you can use whatever mayo you like. I'm just gonna come in with my little brush here, brush that along. Perfect. And we're just timing these up perfectly, cooked with our burgers and all our delicioso ingredients over there. Those jalapenos, I think that you could have also used taco seasoning on this and it would have been really, really good on those burgers with these ingredients that we have. It's kind of a Mexican theme going on. Really, really yummy. Alrighty, time to flip our buns. Look at that, nice and toasted like a vacation at the beach. All right, yeah, you've got a future as a short order cook.
You'd be lucky to have him in my life.
Thank you. Coming in with my white Kraft singles. You can use whatever cheese you like, pepper jack, but in our house we love a white American Kraft single on our Mexican style burgers. Coming in for a landing. Alrighty. We have got our bun, our burger. Look at this. Ooh, I'm gonna get some more of these delicious jalapeno veggies right on top. My bun right on there. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh my God, this just looks so tasty. Ooh, y'all. Mexican style hamburger. So excited to eat this. Incredible. Y'all, you gotta try this.